When Popiel's tower sank in shame and broken crowns forgot their name, the land stood quiet, scarred and bare, awaiting breath of a rightful care. No cheers were heard, no banners flew, just silent fields beneath the dew. For chaos leaves an empty space where fate must choose a truer fate.
From Piast house of fire and grain, a sun arose without disdain. No tyrant born, no lord of fear, but shaped by work and living near.
Siemowit learned the lore of land, of soil and oath and helping hand.
Where rulers feasted far from need, he knew the weight of every deed. Not crowned by gold, not raised by sword, but lifted by the ancient word. The people saw, the elders knew, the chosen path lay clear and true. Siemowit rose where hearts still burned, where trust was kept and justice learned. Thus power came, both firm and mild, from honest man to chosen child. No force compelled the gathered clan, no foreign hand, no cunning plan. The elders spoke, the people stood and raised his name for common good. For rule begins where trust is born, not where the weak are bent and torn. A leader grows from shared belief, not fear alone nor borrowed grief. The laws were set, the roads made clear, the fields once more knew plow, not fear. The hall stood open, judgment fair, the land could finally breathe the air. No feast was loud with stolen gain, no silence hid the people's pain. The crown returned to rightful role, to guard the many, not the whole. From Siemowit the line was drawn, through rising dust to steady dawn. Not built on blood, not forged in lies, but rooted deep where honor lies.
The ruler's name began its way, not in conquest but in day by day. A dynasty of land and law, born not of myth but lived in awe.
A ruler stands where others fall, between the many and the call, to hold the balance, calm the tide, and never rule from distant pride.
The gods may choose, the people raise, but rule is proven through the days. Each just decree, each honest stand renews the pact with soil